commission lawsuit. Have you heard about it? If you haven't, don't worry about it. It's not that big of a deal. If you have, it's a big deal. So what's going on in the commission lawsuit world? There are these class action lawsuits saying that sellers shouldn't be forced to pay buyer's brokers a commission. Let's say they win, and the law now says, as a seller, you don't have to pay a commission. Well, the law really exists already. You as an owner, as a homeowner, you can dictate exactly how much you want to pay a buyer's agent right now. So I don't even understand why these lawsuits are happening, because you could dictate you want to pay $1, you could pay 2%, 3%, 5% if you want to really motivate the buyer's agent. It's really up to you. The question is, how does it affect you based on the number you offer? So those that are suing say you should offer 0. Listen, you still have the right to offer 0 right now. The question is, what's going to happen when you offer 0% to a buyer's agent community? And you make that decision. I'm not going to tell you what the right decision is, but I can tell you how a market might react. Offer 0 to no commission to the buyer's agent community. Buyer's agents won't know what to do. They're too confused about the whole thing, so they won't represent buyers. The buyers now have to figure out what to do. So buyers got to go figure out, how am I going to get representation to go buy a house? Who's going to represent me? Who's going to make sure I'm buying the right home or paying the right price and getting the right inspections? So they have two options. Just go find an agent and agree to pay them something, or go to the listing agent who's there representing the seller, fighting for the seller. So those are your two choices. You hire the person who's trying to represent the seller, or you go pay somebody that's going to represent you. This is really what it's all about. I'm going to tell you, if I'm a seller and I'm selling my home, personally, I want the world fighting to sell my house. I want them convincing the marketplace that I have the right house to buy. Ed's house is the best. His home is priced right. It's the home to sell. That's what I want. So what would I do? I'd offer the world to the buyer's agent. That's personally what I think I would do. So I'd offer not 2.5%, maybe 3% in the marketplace. Say, hey, go show this house. I want everyone running around. So again, I'm not saying it's the absolute right answer. Everyone has their own opinions and their own philosophies on this, but think about it logically and rationally. Do you want people running around saying that house is the best house to buy? That is the best value in a marketplace. What do you think is the right thing to do? And then you go that direction. I think I know. I don't want to say 100% it's 100% right, because everyone has too many different opinions, and maybe their opinion's right. But 37 years running around watching what the real estate market does and how they react to homes. People like to work when it feels right. They're getting paid fairly. That's what I see in the marketplace. So hopefully that sheds a little light on what that real estate commission lawsuit's all about. I have no idea what's going to happen, but right now it's not really affecting the marketplace that much. If you're a homeowner, you have the right to offer anything you want. That is in your right. You just got to talk to your listing agent about it and choose the number that you think is right for you. And if you're a buyer, I don't think it's an issue right now. It's really not coming up as an issue for the buyers. There's plenty of buyers agents that are getting paid fairly to represent you and protect you, so you should be in good shape. Good luck on your home search or your home sale. Thanks for watching.